The results are in Unveiling the Phrase. Hello and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we're going to dive into a very common and intriguing phrase, the results are in. This expression is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can help you navigate English conversations more fluently. Let's explore what this phrase means, where you can hear it, and how you can use it yourself. The results are in is a phrase that announces the completion of a process or the availability of outcomes from a specific activity. It implies that whatever was being awaited, measured, or tested has now concluded, and the findings or conclusions are available. The phrase is often used to build anticipation or to signal a transition from uncertainty to knowledge. 1. Elections. One of the most common scenarios where this phrase is used is during election coverage. When votes have been counted, a news anchor might say, "The results are in," to announce who has won. 2. Competitions and awards. Whether it's a sports competition, a talent show, or an awards ceremony, the results are in signals the announcement of winners or results. 3. Academic and professional settings. After exams, surveys, or research, this phrase is used to indicate that the evaluation process has been completed and outcomes are ready to be shared. 4. Medical tests. In healthcare, the results are in might precede the disclosure of test outcomes by a doctor to a patient. To use "the results are in" correctly, it's important to understand its context. It's a phrase best suited for situations where there has been some anticipation or waiting for a conclusion or decision. Here's how you might include it in a sentence. After months of campaigning, the election day came to a close, and finally, the results are in. The judges have made their decision, and the results are in. The winner of this year's talent show is. After a week of anxious waiting, my doctor called to say the results are in. While "the results are in" is a standard way to express the concept, there are variations that can also be used depending on the formality of the situation and the speaker's preference. We have the outcomes. The verdict is out. Findings have been concluded. Each of these variations can be used in similar contexts to indicate that a conclusion has been reached or that information is now available. Understanding the phrase, "the results are in," enriches your English comprehension and enables you to grasp the nuance of conversations, especially those related to results, decisions, and outcomes. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of this common English expression. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little details that make up everyday communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.